This ageing man makes a living from driving fast and shouting random nonsense.
Sideways in linen!
He also owns a fairly large farm, and just over a year ago, he decided he'd be brilliant at running it.
Oh, shit.
Welcome to Clarkson's Farm.
Been up since the crack of dawn.
Have you looked after sheep before?
I think I've gone in its anus. Whoa!
No.
Where the locals treat him with great respect.
This is global warming, and you race about all your life in vehicles.
Unbelievable horse shit. If we just scooped the whole area...
No, Jeremy, no.
That's as straight as a roundabout.
I'll do it properly now, or is it too late?
Oh, it's too late.
Might have a little dirt on my boots.
And where he faces actual, real problems.
Torrential rain,
Mud on my wheels.
a month's worth in a day.
Where's the rate gone?
It's failed. 10 acres of it.
There is no... I just...
All this in a year when the world turned upside down.
Stay in your vehicle, please. I'm pushing 60. Smoked a million cigarettes. If I get it...
Yeah, there's not a lot of hope.
He's on the floor.
So have a peep over the hedge
Let's go round get some sheep. No shit.
at Clarkson's Farm.
No. No, really good eggs.
I've got a salmonella test.
Have we?
Have you?
You got a little dirt on my boots.
I am happy here. Morning. I've got a choice. I can either go back to London and resume my old life.
Yeah, do that.
Clarkson's Farm.
So how's this coming along?
Well, this is if animals of a horse found on a map too. This is go on subject. See what I mean?
Oh, yeah.